Good morning. Happy New Year's Day. I'm still walking the beach on Sanibel Island. This is, oh, that wave got me. This is the area near West Wind End. Well, we're actually probably a mile past West Wind End now. I just wanted to show you. I found this shell. I don't find them like this a lot with these bottom, like I think it's called a calico scallop, something like that. I don't see them a lot, so I just wanted to show you. And then maybe we'll find something else. That wave was pretty bad. I just got my shorts wet. That would have been a very big tulip right there. So as you can see, it's a pretty harsh surf. Well, not harsh, but medium harsh surf. So pretty much everything good is broken. I've been finding a bunch of olives, but it's kind of hard to break olives. It's a pretty sturdy, thick shell. What is that? That is just a shell. I thought it was a crab for a minute there. So yes, it is a beautiful day on Sanibel. Those are all just a bunch of itty bitty shells. Broken shells. Ooh. There's a baby olive. I was hoping that was a piece of sea glass. That's not. There's a broken piece of lightning weld. Oh man, this would have been nice. This would have been a huge angel wing. They're pretty delicate. I've actually found two. There's chirp, which is pretty rare. As you can, they're very delicate, so they're usually broken by the time they get here. Are you throwing? I just can't with you right now. Just throwing shells at me. It is a nice cockle. I'll keep it. There's a broken orange. That would have been nice. An orange scallop. I'm pretty much walking the beach. Okay, stop. I'm walking the beach alone because my husband's obsessed with the high tide line. I like the low tide line. It's just a piece of, I don't know, it's like metal, driftwood, I don't know. I go in the bag, see what it is when it dries out. Come on, shells. I'm not finding two. Oh, this is a clam. I'll throw him back in. He's closed. That means he's Stop messing with me. No, it was funny for you. He's throwing shells at me again. He's bored. He's like, he's done. There's a big yellow jingle. Did you just throw a crab at me? Oh my God. What a rude, rude husband. Sorry for the coughing. I'm not sick. It is red tide. It makes me cough. Yes, Sanibel is experiencing a red tide. It's not as bad today as it was yesterday. Did you find a lost flower?
Yeah.
I did find a lost flower.
It's a very flowery flower.
Alright. It ain't gonna last, but I'll stick it in the bucket. It'll be very brown shortly.
We've already been here, haven't
No, I told you that pink house is Beach Access 1.
we? Don't fish look alike.
They all do look alike.
Don't get to our crab.
I saw that crab. I don't appreciate the crabbiness. So, what time is... What's singing? That clam is it's a happy clam. What? What did you say? I said, what time is it? Walk. 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 Huh? 10. All right, I changed my mind. I do want to eat out for lunch at 11. Just a little farther, and then we'll turn around. Not impressed with this tide. I got a couple goodies, don't get me wrong. It's just everything is broken. Broken. And the red tide is getting to me. So if you hear a red tide and you start coughing, just walk away from the beach for a little bit until your lungs clear up. Are you serious now? I actually feel like we saw that yesterday. But I swear this is new territory. My husband is a bored 2-year-old at the moment. Still a beautiful day on Sanibel though. Hope you all have a happy new year.